Now we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if you refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned still this one can give us one more drop because we did talk about the different possibility, and this is what we have been looking for. And I mentioned if the price drop, this is what we're looking for, 0.0515, as we can see the price tag, and now we start to correct. We want to see whether this is a correction for one more drop or not. In this case, we start with daily chart. All right, as you can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this correction, and we want to see how deep this one can go. If there is a continuation, easily price can retest 0.04. This is what we need to know if we want to look for any trade setup for buy. And again, if we refer to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. And as we can see, we get this down move as what we were expecting, because when the price was within this move, I was keep mentioning the price can tag 0.0515. As we can see, exactly price tag, and now it start to correct. We want to see whether this is a correction for one more drop, because the next level, if there is a drop, we're looking for is 0.048, or either we can get the reversal. Okay, first of all, if we put this one in relative this to this, we don't have anything here, and if I put this one in relative to this, I want to see what I have. Okay, we don't have anything to rely on that. All right, we don't have the divergence, and even we cannot put these two in relative to each other, because the best thing is for these two we check based on 1 hour chart. Okay, no, the only thing is right now we're looking for is either this is a correction for continuation to give us one more drop, or reversal. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. If I move to 1 hour chart, first of all, again, I want to check, I want to put this one in relative to this. I want to see what we have here. Okay, we don't have a divergence. And how about here? We can see the divergence. We have two different information. Okay, for what I can see here, the way is moving, still we can expect one more drop. Okay, if anyone wants to look for sell, they can look for sell. All right, at least, I mean, the only way is to have entry below this. But what if they want us that we want the price chart tag break and continue the price tag, we see is not moving, we don't stay with the trade maximum 1 or 2 hours. I mean, we shouldn't be in the trade if we see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving. By this one is a short term sell. By the way, for me, I'm not looking for sell. I'm looking for buy. Okay. The only thing is I want to see how deep this one can go before we get the next move. As we can see here, from what we have here right now, the only thing is we can expect one more drop. And if we get one more drop, this is the next one. What I'm looking for, 0.048. We want to see whether the price can break 0.0408 or not, because if there is a breakout, the next one is 0.04. Okay, the only times we can look for buy if I get the reversal, and the best things is we wait for the next drop. The only if we see any sharp move with the flag, we can look for buy. Rather than that, we cannot, I mean, we cannot look for buy. Is there any possibility the price reverse from here? We need to see. The only time says may this one drop a bit, we get the sharp move flag, maybe we can look for buy. But right now, what we have here is a correction for sell. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.